Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I straighten my hairs, and I'm gonna show you step by step. It's not a very serious long process. It's pretty simple, which you're gonna see in the video ahead. I think straight hair suits me a lot. I feel like, bounce naturally. So if you wanna know how I straighten my hair, so please keep watching. So yeah, I have like a wavy sort of hairs. I'm gonna show you how I straighten it. I have straightened the below part already. So I'm just go above my ears and I'm just gonna take the crown portion and I'm just gonna tie it in a messy way like that. You just wanna have this part of your hair out and you wanna part it on two sides like that. Since I already straightened this, so I go over it. I just go over my hairs just like that, and before straightening I put some heat protectant. So the straightener I am using this from V&G Professional. This is what it looks like. That's really smooth on the hairs. So I am just going through my hairs roughly, just taking any sections that I can. So that is straight behind. I'm gonna take this part of my hairs now and part my hairs on two sides. It can be any side, it doesn't have to be in a straight line because we have not decided parting it. And I'm gonna clutch this part. I'm just gonna take this section, so I have the best falling down, and I'm gonna take any clip and clip it. So before straightening I'm using the serum. It helps to shine your hairs and use as a heat protectant, and I'm just gonna put on my hairs. I'm taking like really small areas. I look out how sleek and straight this is. I'm taking any part of my hair that I find like it's wavy. I feel it, and you can actually feel the curl. You just pick up that part and straighten it. This is not at all complicated. You can do easily. I did not style my hair since long time, so I thought why not to style my hair today. I miss straightening so much. So I'm just finished this side and then move on to this side. So what I usually do is I take the front part of my hairs and go down slowly and I bring it inwards. I don't like a really straight look from the front, and I'm just taking rest of my hairs and straighten it. So this is already looking pretty good. And now I'm just take this section and clutch this part of my hair. So as usual, I'm go on with this streak serum, run my fingers through it, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I have the last section remaining here. I don't have any particular way of straightening my hair. I just easily section my hair from the crown area. I do this side, then another side. Similarly this side. I'm just picking up the hairs which I feel like wavy. and running the straightener through my hairs. So this is how I straighten my hairs. I'm just go over the area for one more time. So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, so you know what to do. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want some more hair related videos, so let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video guys. Love you all.